Hi everyone, Kate here, and today I will be recreating a Victorian makeup application based off a chapter from the book De la Banta's Advice to Ladies Concerning Beauty, which was published in 1878. A few times in this article, the author makes numerous suggestions on potential products or techniques to use, so I will just be picking one for demonstration purposes today. I've linked to all the products that I'm going to be using today down in the description below. About half are store-bought and the other half are some of my homemade historical recipes. So, let's get started. Whatever the natural beauty of a person, there are none who may not be improved by artistic makeup. I refer particularly to the face. Anyone, by a little study and practice, may become skilled in this art. Great care is necessary that it may not be overdone and cause one to appear bizarre. Like dress and ornaments, all artistic additions must be in harmony with the complexion of the wearer. Presuming the face to be ordinarily fair and free from blemishes, or if these are present, we will suppose them remedied all that is possible, the face should be carefully powdered after having first been lightly touched with some of the face liquids or creams previously mentioned, in order to render it clear and enable it to better receive and retain the powder. A pellet of talc or chalk in a piece of linen crushed between the fingers in water and then rubbed on the face is excellent and easily applied. If preferred, those liquid preparations that whiten, as toiletine, may be used. Let this be put on evenly. If there be a lack of color in the cheeks, they should be slightly touched with a little carmine diluted in water, or rouge, imparting the least discernible shade of red, or sufficient color may be obtained by pinching and rubbing them briskly for a few minutes, the color thus produced lasting for hours. If the lips are dull or pale or blue, they should also be very lightly touched with red, or they may be rubbed with a toothbrush, which will redden them. Let me urge especially that neither the white nor the red be too pronounced, but as near as nature as possible. Let it be rather too little than too much. This accomplished, hold a bit of china over a blaze until black. Then with a small stick or pencil, sticks of pigment for this purpose may be obtained at drugstores, touch the brows, defining their shape, but making them always narrow and delicate, and not too dark for the hair. Also, blacken the lashes, and trace a slightly darkened line along the angle of the eyelid at the base of the lashes. If you desire the dark, rather suggestive circle below the eyes, which gives a delicate, not to say blasé look, touch the finger to the black and wet with water. Then define very lightly the lower arc of the socket, where the dim line naturally appears. Also, all between it and the eye may be just a shade dark, which gives a languid expression. This, as with the white and red, must not be too pronounced. When skillfully done, it renders the eyes large, full, brilliant, and almond-shaped in appearance, and always enhances beauty. By tipping the edges of the nostrils and ears with the faintest pink, the makeup is complete. As always, thank you for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Bye! This video is made possible through the generous support of my Patreon members. Thank you.